Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to give you tips on keeping a clean room. First off, the one thing that seems to accumulate and look messy in bedrooms most often is clothes. Don't leave them lying around or just throw them anywhere. If it's clean, hang it up. If it's not, have a hamper and throw it in the hamper. Do that every single time you take off an article of clothing or change clothes. Girls are the worst about it because we'll try on 15 different things and never hang the stuff back in the closet. Please hang it back up. Your room will be clean and you will thank yourself for it in the morning or the next time you walk into your room. Another great thing is keep your bed made. Some people don't make their bed. I know I was never made, my parents never made me make my bed, so I'm not as concerned about it. My husband has to have the bed made, and he will make it every morning as soon as he wakes up, without a doubt. But he's been in the habit of it since he was like 4 years old. Purses. Hang purses on doorknobs. It's the easiest way to put your purse somewhere, and it looks neat. It's off the floor. If something's off the floor, it looks a lot more tidy. These baskets are excellent for putting books, magazines, pens and pencils in, reading material, and keep a duster like this on hand. That'll really help also. I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and those are tips on keeping a clean room.